Number 7, we have an inequality and it uses the word maximum. I'm going to use backtracking for this. And when I use backtracking and I see the word maximum, I always start with the biggest number and work backwards. Because let's say I start with the smallest number, if 3 worked out, well, just because 3 can satisfy this inequality doesn't mean another larger number might also satisfy the inequality, so we have to work our way up until 1 doesn't work. But if I start with 6, if 6 works, then I know it must be the biggest one that works because it's the biggest one I have as an option. So let me start with D. 7 minus 3 times 6, and I want to know, is that greater than negative 8? Well, 7 minus 18 is negative 11. Actually, negative 11 is smaller than negative 8, right? Because when you're in the negatives, the 11 is further, negative 11 is further away from 0. It's going to be smaller. Here, let's try it with 5. 7 minus 3 times 5, and I want to know, is that greater than negative 8? So 7 minus 15 is going to be negative 8. Well, if there was a greater than or equal to, this would be my answer, but there is not. Negative 8 is not greater than negative 8, so I have to cross off 5, but I'm pretty darn sure at this point that 4 is going to work because, you know, if we go any smaller, we're definitely going to be changing this from an equal to the greater than that we want. So let me just try to be sure, but this point is my double check because I'm already very confident this is going to be the answer. I see a typo here. I wrote 18. I'm going to fix that for you. Okay. 7 minus 8, is that greater than negative 8? Yeah, negative 1 is definitely bigger than negative 8. I've answered this and I've double checked it. That's number 7.